Hey guys, if you're starting a Facebook group or already have one but feels like it's not really doing anything, this video is for you. A lot of people think, oh, I'll just start a Facebook group, people will join, and boom, I'll have a thriving community. But it doesn't work like that. There's actually a right way to set up your Facebook group so it grows and attracts the right people, aka the ones who actually engage and buy from you. So today, I'm going to walk you through how to properly set up your group, how to name it without overthinking for it for like 3 months, how to use AI to make things easier, and some sneaky hacks to boost your engagement. Let's get into it. So who's this video for? All right, real quick. There are 2 types of people watching this video. Number 1, you already have a Facebook group, but maybe it's kind of like you're posting, but engagement is low, or it's just not growing the way you want. Or number 2, you don't have a group yet and you're about to set up one for the very first time. So either way, stick with me because even small tweaks can make huge difference. Let's make sure your group isn't just sitting there collecting dust. Why setup matters. Okay, so why should you even care about how you set up your Facebook group? Simple. Small changes equals big results. Think of it like a bucket. If there are tiny little holes at the bottom, all your hard work filling that bucket is just gonna leak out. You might just be getting people into your group, but if it's not set up right, they're not sticking around. Or worse, they're not buying from you. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Naming your Facebook group. This is where so many people get stuck. You're like, what should I call my group? And then spend weeks overthinking. Here's a very simple formula. What your group is about plus who it's for. Okay, for example, paleo experts or revitalizing wellness for men 40 plus, or mompreneurs, or customers and connections, expanding premium coaching and program growth. Now, if you have a personal brand, you can also add your brand name to the beginning, like Charlie's Community, High Ticket Coaching Growth. Pro tip, you can always change your group name later. So don't let this slow you down. Pick up a name, roll with it, and refine it as your audience grows. Using AI to help you name and describe your group. Now, let's make life easy. Instead of sitting there brainstorming for hours, you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with group names and descriptions. Hey ChatGPT, act like a world-class direct response copywriter. Give me 10 ideas for naming my Facebook group. My group is for your target audience who want to your main benefit. And boom, AI does the heavy lifting. And you just pick the best one. Same thing with your group description. Just give ChatGPT a simple prompt like, write a compelling Facebook group description for the group name. This group is for your target audience who want to the main benefit, setting up your Facebook group the right way. Now, when you actually create your group, don't just click next on everything. There are a few key settings you need to get right. Privacy. Set up your group to private but visible, so people can find it, but not just anyone can see the posts. Who can join? Only allow Facebook profiles, not business pages. Too much spam. Who can approve new members? Admins and moderators only. You don't want random members letting in bots. URL customization. Instead of a bunch of random numbers in the link, change it to something clean, like facebook.com/groups/your group name. And here's a pro tip. As your group grows, you'll start getting random people trying to join. Not all members are created equal. Before you approve someone, check following. Are they in like 1,000 other groups? That's a red flag. Did they just make the Facebook profile last week? Might be a bot. Do they actually fit your target audience? Remember, it's not about having the biggest group. It's about having the right people. The secret to more engagement. Now, let's talk about the welcome post, the most important post in your entire group. Every new member should be tagged in it when they join in. So what should your welcome post include? Number 1, a big welcome to group name, a short story about why you created the group, what kind of content they can expect, like live Q&As, training videos, weekly challenges, and then a CTA or call to action, telling them what to do next. Drop a comment to introduce yourself or tap here to follow my profile so you never miss a spot. And pro tip, make sure your profile is public and optimized because people will check you out. Group cover, photo, and design tips. Your group cover photo doesn't have to be fancy, but make sure it looks clean and has your group name on it so everything is cohesive. Use Canva free and super easy to design a banner in like 10 minutes. And here are some common mistakes to avoid. All right, before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when starting or growing their Facebook group. Because let's be real, there's nothing worse than putting in all this effort only to end up with a dead group that nobody engages with. So let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid. Number 1, making your group too broad. One of the biggest mistakes, trying to make your group for everyone. If your group name is something like business success strategies, who is that for? Entrepreneurs, coaches, real estate agents? Instead, get specific. A group like 6-figure business growth for online coaches. It's way more targeted. You want people to see your group and immediately think, oh yeah, this is for me. Number 2, not engaging daily, even in a small group. A lot of people think, I'll wait until my group is big before I start posting consistently. Nope. Facebook rewards groups that are active. If your group is quiet, Facebook will stop in showing it in recommendations and growth will stall. Instead, even if you only have 10 members, start posting now. Ask questions, share value, and start conversations. The more engagement, the more Facebook pushes your group to new people. Number 3, allowing spam and low-quality members. Listen, not all members are created equal. If you let in a bunch of people, random people, who don't care about your niche, they won't engage and they definitely won't buy from you. Instead, be picky. Check their profiles before approving them. Look at how long they've been on Facebook. Brand new accounts is equal to red flags. And how many groups they're in? 500 plus groups? Probably a spam. And lastly, whether they fit your real audience. Quality is better than quantity. 4th mistake, selling too soon or too much. Nobody likes to walk into a party and immediately get pitched with $5,000 coaching program. Same goes for Facebook groups. Instead, build relationships, share value, answer questions, and let people warm up to you. A good rule of thumb, 80% value, 20% promotion. A great way to sell without being pushy. Go live once a week, provide insane value, and casually mention your offer at the end. 5th mistake, not tracking what's working. If your group isn't growing or engaging, don't just guess why. It's usually obvious if you track the right things. Instead, every week, look at how many new members joined in, guiding stay-at-home moms to launch profitable businesses. How many new members joined? What were your most engaged posts? Which posts flopped and why? Facebook gives you insights inside your group. Use them to tweak your strategy. All right, guys, that's the right way to set up a Facebook group that actually works. If you find this helpful, hit that like button so people can see this. And if you want more tips on growing your community and monetizing it, subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, here's a question for you. What's your biggest struggle with Facebook groups? Drop the comment below and see you in the next one.